For 21 days straight, I started my morning with just one simple drink, a glass of warm turmeric water. No fancy ingredients, no diets, no supplements, just this golden drink. At first, I didn't expect much. It's just turmeric, right? But within the first few days, something started to change. My mornings felt lighter, my bloating went down, and my body felt like it was quietly resetting from the inside out. By the end of week 1, I noticed my digestion had improved. Turmeric is known to stimulate bile production, helping your stomach process food better. No more heavy feeling after meals. It was like my gut had taken a deep breath. By week 2, I realized something unexpected. The joint stiffness I used to feel when waking up was gone. That's when I learned that curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, has powerful anti-inflammatory effects that can ease muscle and joint pain naturally. Then came week 3, and that's when I really noticed a difference in my skin. It looked brighter, clearer, and more even. Turns out, turmeric supports your liver and flushes out toxins that can cause dullness or breakouts. But here's the real surprise. My energy stayed stable all day long. No coffee crashes, no midday fatigue. Just clean, calm energy, the kind your body gives when it's actually balanced. So here's what I learned. Drinking turmeric water every morning is not a miracle cure, but it is a powerful daily ritual that supports digestion, reduces inflammation, strengthens your immunity, and helps your skin and liver work better together. If you want to try it, here's what worked best for me. Half a teaspoon of turmeric powder in a cup of warm water. Add a pinch of black pepper to help absorption. Drink it on an empty stomach, then wait 15 minutes before breakfast. Be consistent for at least 3 weeks. You might not notice changes right away, but your body definitely will. Sometimes transformation doesn't come from big changes. It comes from the small things we do every single day. And for me, turmeric water turned out to be one of them.